Changing your profile picture on Etsy is a straightforward process that helps personalize your shop and connect with customers. Follow these steps to update your profile picture. Step 1. Log into your Etsy account. Visit the Etsy website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you are accessing the account associated with the shop you want to update. Step 2. Go to your Shop Manager. Once logged in, click on Shop Manager located at the top right corner of the page. This will take you to the dashboard where you can manage your shop settings. Step 3. Access your profile settings. In the Shop Manager, look for the Settings option in the left-hand menu. Click on it, then select Info and Appearance to access your profile settings. Step 4. Upload a new profile picture. In the Profile section, you will see an option to change your profile picture. Click on the current picture or the Upload button to select a new image from your device. Make sure the image meets Etsy's guidelines for size and format. Step 5. Save changes. After uploading your new profile picture, scroll down and click the Save button to apply the changes. Your new profile picture will now be visible on your shop page. Updating your profile picture can enhance your shop's appeal and help you connect better with your audience. Enjoy showcasing your new look.